I know what this is. The best part of waking up is C63 co-starts. Oh man, that shit never gets old. Let's get it.
Arriba. I want the bad forever, ever, 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 ever. I want the bad forever. I want the bad forever. I want the bad forever, ever, 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 ever.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Car Guy back at it again with another video. Man, y'all know what time it is, man. Y'all know what we doing today. You see from the title of this video, this is the Wild Wine Rally. I'm back on my bullshit. Yo, this is gonna be fun, man. We got a long drive ahead of us this morning. I'm actually headed to go pick up the breakfast for the event right now, and we will be headed that way. I was gonna mile up there with a group of guys, but yeah, I'm running late this morning because I had a bunch of shit I had to do. So we'll just see them there. But like I said, man, y'all know what this is, the Wild Wine Rally. We're gonna have a good time today. Some great people, great food, great cars, man. It's gonna be a chill drive. Well, it ain't gonna be, you know how I do. But yeah, man, shouts out to our sponsors for this event. Of course, Car9uy Co is sponsoring it, TJH Motorsports, and EG Prince, man. Thank y'all for sponsoring this event. This is lovely. I wouldn't be able to do this without you guys. And yeah, let's get right into it, man.
it up.